Hey guys, so we're off now to do potions with our favorite teacher, Snook. Well, I'm gonna. No, here, I'll just do a whole video. One of the last ones, I suppose, before just finishing off all the cards and the notice board items. And off we go. Wait. Oh yeah, never mind. I thought we needed ingredients for this, but we need Lumos to do so. Okay. Actually, I might as well just get the prefect badge that we need now and bring it up later in a wild crocodile. That was really gay. Oh well. Meow. Meow. Let me show you this cool pointless thing here. Oh. Bet you didn't know about that. Did ya? Yeah, the grounds are locked anyway. Bothered to watch that. No. I'm gonna turn it to the moon's board in a while. Shut up, Ron. Won't you come on over, Valerie? Okay, so I don't know if you knew this, but there's a card here. Super duper. Right. I don't know if we go down to potions. See what Northwest to say. No, there's not. There's a Slytherin prefect stinking up the path behind me. Ooh, I showed him. Most common, so if you get your leg chopped off, you're screwed. How did he manage to do that? I would LOL if I was Malfoy. First of all, I want to get this. I think it's a folio brutal page. Yes, it is. Ow, my ear. Yes, I am. Calm down, Snape. It's somebody's time of the month. Hermione. Calm down, Snape. I know, Snape. Quiet you. Oh my god, I have to say it. Drink up, Ron. Bottoms up. Yes. Yes. You happen, Terry. Shut up, Snape. Oh, well, that's not that bad then. You know it's Snape. That's a fail. Alright, well that's the end of this video. I'll see you after.